Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're headed over to the junkyard. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can find these support brackets for the front bumper I need. Also see if we can maybe find some bolts. We're also gonna go ahead and see if we can find ourselves a front passenger side fender liner. So stay tuned, we'll see you in a little bit. So we found what we need. All we gotta do now is go ahead and take it off. I've already found one on a different truck for the bumper support. I haven't really been able to find a good fender liner yet, but keeping my fingers crossed to see what would come about. Now we just gotta get this support off here and we're good on the bumper supports. I tell you what everyone, make sure you go ahead and check your local junkyards because lo and behold, I found my parts. I found exactly what I needed. I found my wheel well liner and I found my bumper support brackets along with bolts and one extra bolt for my front bumper. So I'll get you guys a price, what I pay for this stuff, and I'll see you guys back at the house. Oh no! Oh no! Thanks! You guys can tell it's a completely different day by the weather, my shirt. I did not plan for it to be a two-part day for myself. Not for you guys, obviously, but you know, things happen. If you do not have one of these plastic puller tools, you gotta get them. They're absolutely amazing and they work perfectly and they're not really that expensive anyway. So make sure you guys go ahead and do this. What did I pay? I left you guys off with what did I pay? What am I gonna pay for the lower bumper support brackets and the one inner fender? I paid $8. $8 I paid. He said $4 for the brackets a piece and they said just go ahead and take that liner. What? It's perfect. I can't complain. So make sure you guys check your local scrap yards, your local junkyards. You know, they might have the parts you need. The one local to me has absolutely an abundance of vehicles from any year you can imagine, any make you can imagine. So definitely check that out. You save yourself some money. We're not going to install those lower bracket supports. I want to grind them down, clean them up, and you know, put some Power 15 on it, then install them. So we're gonna go ahead and install this inner wheel well liner and go ahead and finish up this video. But first, I'm gonna show you my old liner. There it is. Here it is. So wheel well liners, they don't like negative 10-degree weather. Yeah, they kind of break and shatter. So if it's really cold out and you guys are getting aggravated, don't rip them off because you're gonna end up with something like that. Even your local Facebook marketplace. You don't always have to buy brand new parts for, you know, this isn't a show truck, this is my daily driver, soon to be a pull truck, but a street pull, you know, nothing special about it. I love the truck, I want to show it off to you guys, I want to build it, I want to keep growing with the truck, but not every part needs to be brand new. So definitely check that kind of stuff out, you guys. You save yourselves. Ooh, hold on. Small little pork tenderloin for dinner tonight for the wife and I. So anyways, go ahead, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok as well. Both links will be in the description below. I don't have any parts for you guys this week, so there will be no parts in the description below, but I will leave a couple maybe of my videos below for you guys to check out while you're at it. I appreciate all the support you guys are doing. I appreciate everyone who watches these videos, especially you guys that stick all the way to the end. Have yourselves a great night and we'll see you guys Wednesday.